Have you ever wondered how to make money online? In the digital age, it's not just a dream, it's a reality for many. And today, we're diving into the myriad of ways to make your computer your personal cash register. First on the list is affiliate marketing. This is perfect for those who already have a platform, like a blog or a YouTube channel. By promoting products or services and earning a piece of the profit for each sale you can make a tidy sum. Next, we have online surveys and paid reviews. Companies are always looking for consumer feedback and are willing to pay for it. By taking online surveys or writing reviews, you can earn money from the comfort of your own home. Then there's freelancing. If you have a special skill, such as writing, graphic design, or coding, freelancing could be an excellent way to monetize it. Websites like Upwork or Fiverr connect freelancers with clients who need their services. For the more entrepreneurial, consider launching an online store. Whether it's through a platform like Etsy for handmade goods or a more comprehensive e-commerce site for a range of products, online retail can be a profitable venture. Online tutoring is another avenue. If you're a whiz at math, a language expert, or a science guru, you can share your knowledge and get paid for it. Websites like Chegg Tutors make it easy to connect with students in need of tutoring. Lastly, but certainly not least, is blogging or vlogging. If you have a unique perspective or expertise, share it with the world and monetize your content through ads, sponsored posts, and merchandise sales. To recap, the digital world offers a wealth of opportunities to make money. Affiliate marketing, online surveys and reviews, freelancing, running an online store, online tutoring, and blogging or vlogging are just a few of the ways to build an income stream online. Remember, each method requires dedication, effort, and persistence. But with the right approach and mindset, making money online is not just a pipe dream, it can be your reality. So take the first step today and start transforming your digital presence into a profitable venture.